going on, skaters? Welcome to my G-Slide instruction videos. My name is Reginald Dillon, also known as Juice. We are now currently at lesson 6, and I would like to welcome all of our advanced skaters who skipped the previous videos to jump straight to the X marks the spot video that we're at now. And basically, we're just going to perfect our angles in this lesson. Just as a reminder, if you are not familiar with the 4 terms, spring leg, aggressive heel, the J5 move, which is all incorporating stopping and autocorrect, and last but not least, the launch pad, which is launching off. If you're not really familiar with these terms, I would suggest you to go through these previous videos before this one, so that you can get up to speed on the terminology and use them as a reference. In this lesson here, we are going to strictly go over the heel-toe combinations, the heel-toe going to our left and the heel-toe going to our right. We're going to go through it using the beginner beats, the intermediate beats, and the advanced beats, and we're going to see where we can go with this. So today we're going to learn how to perfect our X marks the spot. We're going to learn through different beats, one through the beginner beat, which is 4 counts, intermediate beat, which is 2 counts between steps, and also we have the advanced beat, which is execution. Okay, I'm going to use some music. What we're going to do, we're going to start in our J5 step to our right. All right, to our right, we got our right leg up. Okay, we should have our left leg back here sitting at 5 o'clock. And again, right now we're just going to go over the beginner beat, and what we're going to do, I'm going to come up to 4 beats, come into my stopping on a dime, and then I'm going to continue on to my next beat, okay? And again, these are just some of the drills and homework that I want you guys to do when you guys are at home, and we're going to see where we can go with this. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. More bass. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Now we're going to go to our intermediate beat. Remember, we're going to have 2 counts in between steps. And remember, one of the things I want you guys to remember is as you're starting to do these steps is make sure you are advancing forward. Make sure you're not going to 9 and 3. Make sure you're not going to 9 and 3, okay? You don't want to come here, come here. You want to make sure that your routes are coming over here at 9 o'clock and back at 3. You want to make sure that you're advancing forward. That's the key. The key is making sure you're advanced forward. So as we're here in our base, we should be coming straight up, advancing forward, and coming here. Every time you start one of the X's, you should be advancing further and further up towards the front of your body. Okay? So now we're going to go with our intermediate beat. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Stop. 2. 1, 2, stop. Move. Stop. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 2, 3. Okay? So again, with those intermediate beats, we launched off 1, 2, we stopped 1, 2. We launched off, 1, 2, we stopped, 1, 2. We launched off, 1, 2, we stopped, 1, 2. And last but not least, we're going to go through the advanced step. When you get to the point where you're at the advanced step, you're not going to move as much as you will in the beginner or intermediate, because obviously we're not traveling. If we're using a beginner count, we have 4 counts, we'd obviously be rolling for 4 seconds. 2 seconds for intermediate. Since we're not really going to be moving that much, we shouldn't be traveling too much, okay? Remember, we're going execution, execution, execution. So our count is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, no pause in between. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as you start that advanced count, I want you to notice that when I did my advanced count, I was doing a very strong, aggressive heel, okay? Because I was going so fast, I wasn't throwing my leg back and forward. Because when you're throwing your leg back and forward, you're actually throwing weight, okay? And you're gonna burn out faster, and it's gonna take you, you're gonna be doing more work, essentially. But if you start to throw that heel, you can get the same amount of work done. You get the same amount of work done, and you'll be able to stay on beat, and you won't burn out or burn a lot of energy. So that's another thing that I want you guys to look at. So those are some of the drills I want you guys to work on your beginner beats, work on your intermediate beats, and if you can, work on your advanced beats. And as I stated in the last video, the G-Slide looks really, really good with the intermediate beats. When you can come 1, 2, step, 1, 2, step. They look a lot better with the slower beats, the slower rap songs, slower R&B songs. So again, you want to build confidence with the advanced beats. You want to work out with the advanced beats. But again, the slower the G-Slide is, the better that it moves, because it looks a lot more smoother than it would if you were to do the advanced beats. Okay, so that concludes lesson 6 of the G-Slide, which is X marks the spot and perfecting it. Again, I'd like to thank everyone for looking at these videos. As always, feedback is welcome. Hashtag come together, hashtag St. Louis G-Slide, hashtag G-Slide. My name is Reginald Dillon. They also call me Juice. Thank you guys for watching the videos. The next video, we're going to be learning about the last 2 beats of the St. Louis G-Slide, and that's the actual wiggle that comes with it. So in all, it's going to look like this. We're going to the last 2, which is the wiggle, is what I call it, on the right side. So see you guys in the next video, and as always, thank you.